Welcome to Chemistry Made Easy. Look carefully at this chemical equation. H2 plus O2 produces H2O. Something is wrong. On the left, we have 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. But on the right, we have 2 hydrogen atoms and only 1 oxygen atom. So where did the other oxygen atom go? It cannot simply disappear. Atoms are rearranged during a chemical reaction. They are not magically created or destroyed. That gives us our golden rule. Atoms in must equal atoms out. The number of atoms of each element before the reaction must equal the number after the reaction. Think of yourself as the atom police. Your job has 3 parts: count, compare, and correct. Count every type of atom on the left. Count them again on the right. Compare the totals. If they do not match, correct the equation using coefficients. Here is the method we will use every time. Write, count, adjust, check. First, write the correct chemical formulas. Second, count the atoms of each element. Third, adjust the coefficients. Finally, check every atom again. Let us return to water. We start with H2 plus O2 produces H2O. Count the atoms. On the left, hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 2. On the right, hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 1. Oxygen does not match. Place a coefficient of 2 before H2O. Now we have 2 water molecules. Oxygen is fixed, 2 on each side. But the coefficient multiplies the entire water molecule. So the right side now has 4 hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen is 2 on the left and 4 on the right. Place a coefficient of 2 before H2. Now check again. Hydrogen, 4 equals 4. Oxygen, 2 equals 2. The balanced equation is 2H2 plus O2 produces 2, H2O. Here is the most important warning in this lesson. Never change subscripts when balancing an equation. 2. H2O means 2 water molecules. The coefficient tells us how many molecules we have. H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide, a completely different substance. A subscript tells us what the substance is. Remember, coefficient means how many. Subscript means what it is. Change coefficients only. Level 2. Forming ammonia. N2 plus, H2 produces NH3. Start with nitrogen. Put a 2 before NH3. Now both sides contain 2 nitrogen atoms. The product now contains 6 hydrogen atoms, so put a 3 before H2. The balanced equation is N2 plus 3H2 produces 2 NH3. Nitrogen, 2 equals 2. Hydrogen, 6 equals 6. Boss level. Aluminium reacts with oxygen to form aluminium oxide. The equation is Al plus O2 produces Al2O3. Oxygen appears in groups of 2 on the left and 3 on the right. The lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. Use 3O2 to make 6 oxygen atoms on the left and 2 Al2O3 to make 6 oxygen atoms on the right. That gives 4 aluminium atoms on the right, so place a 4 before Al. The balanced equation is 4Al plus 3O2 produces 2Al2O3. Your turn. Balance methane combustion. CH4 plus O2 produces CO2 plus H2O. Balance carbon first, then hydrogen, and leave oxygen until last. Pause and try it now. The answer is CH4 plus 2. O2 produces CO2 plus 2, H2O. Carbon, 1 equals 1. Hydrogen, 4 equals 4. Oxygen, 4 equals 4. Let us lock it in. Write, count, adjust, check. Atoms in must equal atoms out. Change coefficients only. Never change subscripts. Count it, balance it, check it. Now test the atom police method on these 3 equations. 1. Magnesium plus oxygen produces magnesium oxide. 2. Potassium plus chlorine produces potassium chloride. 3. Iron plus oxygen produces iron 3 oxide. Post your balanced equations in the comments. If this lesson made balancing finally click, subscribe to Smart IQ Technology for more science and technology made clear. See it, understand it, never forget it.